Hey guys, Chris here, and today we're going to be looking at the BenQ Halo screen bar. It comes in the box with 3 AAA batteries, a remote control wheel, and the BenQ screen bar with a curved monitor wedge. This is for curved monitors. And in this manual box, you also have a foam block for thinner monitors attachment. The device comes with a flat USB cable, which I really like because it's very thin and flexible and lighter. The setup is fast and easy. You hang the bar on the monitor and you plug in a USB port. In this case, I use the USB port on the back of my monitor. This is the control wheel, and holding it feels very sturdy. It has a really great weight to it. Build quality is superb, and removing the plastic, it comes off with a matte metallic finish on it, which is nice to touch. An awesome feature for this light bar, although expensive, is it has a light on the back of it to illuminate the back of your monitor, and this gives a very good vibe to the room for more visibility. The wireless control wheel is also premium feel. You can control the light bar with no wires and move the controller anywhere you want so that you have quick access to it. Overall, this screen bar has very much helped my eye strain on my monitor, looking at the monitor on a computer for long periods of time. And for the price of $180, I give this product a price to value ratio of 9 out of 10. For $180, it is a bit on the pricier side. However, you are getting the best in the market. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions or concerns on this product, leave them in the comments below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. And like the video if you did, and subscribe for future content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.